What's up, YouTube? Top Shelf P checking in. Back down here at Lynn's Restoration. Checking on my cousin's 1975 Delta 88. As you can see, they primed down the portions of the car where they had to refabricate, the body. He did just tell me that they still have to do some seam welds to complete everything. As you can see, the contours of this car are extremely unique, and they did a really good job with retaining it and doing the best that they can to, preserve their look. I mean, came out pretty good. I know he had a ton of surface rust along where the belt trim goes. As you can see, I think they did something to the door. I know, if y'all can recall on the last video that I posted, he had like some rotting in the lower portion of this passenger side door. But yeah, we're going over there to Pro Stitch Upholstery as soon as he leaves here, so that he can have his top installed. I think he went with a black cloth top, if I'm not mistaken. Got his skin pretty good. Again, man, the Delta 88 has some very unique body lines. I can only imagine how challenging it was to repair all of this, damaged metal and everything, while still keeping the integrity of the car. But yeah, they did a phenomenal job with it. I'm sure Cuz gonna be happy with it. I think he should be able to pick it up either tomorrow or Friday, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, just another quick update, man. Top Shelf P. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm out.